Adding a project summary task in Microsoft Project helps to provide an overview of the entire project's progress and key details. Here's how to add it. Open your project. Launch Microsoft Project. Open Microsoft Project and load your existing project or start a new one. Enable the project summary task. Access options. Go to the File tab and select Options to open the Project Options dialog. Navigate to Advanced. In the Project Options dialog, click on Advanced. Show Project Summary Task. Scroll down to the Display options for this project section. Check the box labeled Show Project Summary Task. Click OK to apply the changes. View the Project Summary Task. Locate the Summary Task. In the Gantt chart view, the Project Summary Task will now appear as a top row in your task list with the task name of Project Summary. Review details. This task displays overall project information, including total duration, start and finish dates, and total cost. It aggregates data from all the individual tasks below it. Customize if necessary. Edit the summary. The project summary task is a read-only task that aggregates data from all tasks. While you cannot directly edit it, you can modify the underlying tasks and their priorities to influence the summary. Save your project. Save changes. Click File, Save to ensure project settings and summary tasks are saved.